Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making these little mountains and trees that you see right here behind me. It's a really easy project. I kind of feel silly even doing a video about it, but I've been seeing them on Pinterest and Etsy, and I just thought they were super cute and that they would be really cute for like nursery decor or a child's room. And we actually do a craft fair every fall, and we've been working already. We start every spring on getting together our craft fair stuff and making and putting away things for the craft fair. So I thought I would do something a little bit different this year and actually set up a nursery slash child's room area of our booth to have all kinds of cute decor for a kid's room or a nursery. And I wanted to have it have a rustic theme. So we actually did the mountain shelves a couple weeks ago and did a video on that. I can link that down below for you if you want to check that out. So I thought to go along with that, we just do these cute little mountains and trees. So it's going to be a super simple project, but I hope you enjoy it. All right, so the first thing that Ethan did was he had an old table leaf, and we actually used that table leaf to make all the mountains and all the trees, and he just chopped them up on the chop saw into varying sizes of triangles, and that was about it. So we had a table leaf lying around from an old table that we'd already repurposed and used the table for something else, so this was basically free material, and it would have just gone to waste if we hadn't have made it into another project. So he's just chopping those up. And then he's just going to give them a quick sand. Most of them, he just took the rough edges off, make sure there's no splinters hanging off the sides. And then for some of the tinier ones that we had left raw wood, he sanded those all the way down so you could see the pretty grain, and it would be a different color than the ones that were still stained. Okay, so now I'm just gonna paint them. I actually had some leftover Waverly chalk paint. I think it was from Walmart. It was really old and it's actually kind of dried up. So you'll notice while I'm painting these that the paint is really chunky, but it honestly didn't matter. And again, that paint is pretty much not good for anything at this point, except for little projects like this. And it doesn't really matter because we're gonna give them a sanding afterwards, and this worked just fine. I revived it with a little bit of water and no problem. And then for the mountains, we just painted the tops white with Fusion mineral paint. It was the white paint I had laying around. Any white paint would do, nothing special. And I just kind of free-handed the snow on top of the mountains. I didn't get a video of it, but I did go back and do a second coat of white for the snow on the mountains, just to make it a little bit darker. Okay, and then Ethan was nice enough to take these outside for me and sand them so I didn't get sand in the house. He did that in the garage. We just roughed up the little trees and I sanded down the green so you could see a little bit of distressing. And then he took Miss Mustard Seeds hemp oil, which we absolutely love. If you watch our channel, you know we use that all the time. And he just rubbed it on those raw wood mountains. And that really darkened it up. It really makes the wood color just like really rich and pretty. Brings out those grains. And then he did that on the mountains too with the white snow on the top. And then he also went over the green trees, as you see. So that was pretty much it, and then I just staged it on this shelf and put a picture I have in my kids' room with it, this bear, and that's it. It is seriously like the easiest project you could ever imagine doing, but they're super cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of DIY projects. I do some cook with me videos, and we do projects around the house. Alright guys, hope to see you next time. Bye.